Welcome, my name is CUBOT X30 and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And to get started, let's pull down the notification panel, find the toggle, which is right over here for me. So you want to hold it at the beginning, and this will take you to the settings where you can customize how it will work. So we have calls, messages. Start with calls. Allow calls from anyone, contacts, favorites, or no one at all. I'm going to select no one. It has the additional option right here that will retain no matter what the setting of calls is here, which will allow a caller reach you, assuming they call twice within a 15-minute period. So even though you're supposed to block everybody from reaching you, if you have that on, it will allow someone in terms of emergency to still have some kind of way of reaching you, assuming they call twice within a 15-minute period. So apart from that, if we go back, we also have the messages. Now it has the same things as calls, minus the repeated callers. So again, select whichever one you want. Then we have see all exceptions. So there's also some exceptions for events, reminders, touch sounds, media sounds, and alarms. So if you want some of them, you can enable them. If you don't want them during the Do Not Disturb mode, then keep them off. Then we have notifications. So you can customize how notifications are working. So no sound from notifications, or no visual or sound from notifications. So this will basically not show anything. And then we have the duration. So this is whenever you tap on the toggle located right over here. You will have the option either set by default to until you turn it off. So every time you toggle it on, you will have to manually toggle it off for a specific amount of time, which you can extend. And again, whatever you set right here will be set in there. I think the difference with the hours, whenever you select that, it will actually allow you to add more hours or less. But this will turn off after the set time. And then you have also ask every time, which is probably the best one. So if I check it on and I toggle it on, it will bring up this window every single time. And then at the very bottom, we have the schedule. So this will allow us to set a schedule and basically not have to interact with the Do Not Disturb mode ever again. So once you set it up for the first time, you can either create one or edit the one that exists. As you can see, you have days of the week. So you select each day of the week that you want it to work in, start time, end time, and then the behavior of it. And from there, it becomes enabled by just being checked like this. And you just don't have to do anything. Once the day of the week and the time of that day will reach, it will turn on. And then once the time is set to, for instance, I don't know, it's supposed to be disabled at 1:30 as it is, for instance, right now, then it will turn off Do Not Disturb mode automatically. So that is basically how you would set up and disable the Do Not Disturb mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.